AJ Asteron TV.
Ang tao ay hindi kayang lumakad ng straight kung wala itong tinitignan sa kanyang harap. Random facts. Magugulat ka sa sasabihin ko sa huli. Mayroon mahigit 150 na sanggol ang isinisilang bawat minuto sa mundo. 9,000 na sanggol oras-oras. 385 taon-taon. Ang jeepney na sinasakyan mo ngayon ay unang naiwan ng mga Amerikano noong World War at ginamit ito ng mga Pinoy. 2 tao lang ang nakakaalam ng recipe ng Coca-Cola at bawal sila bumiyahe sa isang eroplano dahil baka mag-crash ito. Ang mga taong gusto ang amoy ng gas, acetone at rugby ay mas mataas ang chance maging drug addict. At panghuli, mas nauna ang manok kesa sa itlog. Ang mga hayop tulad ng mga aso at pusa ay maaaring makaramdam ng mga pagyanig ng lupa bago pa man ito mangyari ng tunay. Random fact tungkol sa mga hayop. Kung makikita mo ang iyong alagang hayop na nag-aalala o nagkakagulo ng walang dahilan, maaari itong maging senyales ng isang paparating na lindol. Ang mga piraso ng Crayola ay may kakayahang sumabog at magbigay ng liwanag ng may ilang minuto kapag ito ay sinunog. Ito ay maaaring magamit bilang isang makeshift na ilaw sa kung anumang pangyayari ng emergency o pagkakaroon ng problema sa kuryente. Alam mo ba na ang mga pugita ay may 3 puso, 2 pump ng dugo sa mga hasang para sa oxygenation, at ang pangatlo ay nagbobomba ng oxygenated na dugo sa ibang bahagi ng katawan. Ang natatanging sistema ng sirkulasyon na ito ay tumutulong sa kanila na epektibong ipamahagi ang oxygen sa kanilang mga katawan na mahalaga para sa kanilang aktibong pamumuhay at komplikadong pag-uugali. Fun facts tungkol sa mga Filipino. Alam mo ba na ang bawat kalye sa Pilipinas ay may humanoid na CCTV? Yon ay mga marites. And speaking of marites, number 1 sa kanila ay nanay mo. Joke lang. Isn't it strange that the word teacher becomes cheater when the letters are rearranged? Shower thoughts that will blow your mind. The last question no one knows how to answer. Teaching is just brains telling other brains how to be better brains. Think about how lucky we are that blinking our eyes doesn't make a noise. Mosquitoes are basically dirty used needles that fly. Vampires are human-sized mosquitoes. I have questions for you, but before that, like this video for good luck this week. If vampires cannot see their reflections, why is their hair always so tidy? If a vampire bites a zombie, would it turn into a zombie, or will the zombie turn into a vampire? And if you were a vampire, who would you bite to turn into a vampire? Before revealing the last mind-blowing question, subscribe to get 99.9% smarter every day. What time was the world created? Don't sleep with a mirror in your room. Random facts. The last fact is shocking. When we kiss someone, traces of their DNA stay in our mouth for 3 days. Sleeping on your right side helps you fall asleep faster than sleeping on your left side. Taking tests is making kids less creative and dumber. We are more attracted to a person's scent than their appearance. The most told lie in the world is, "I am fine." The biggest liars are children of strict parents. The sudden feeling of falling while sleeping is classified as a mild epileptic seizure. The arms of chairs are just chairs for our arms. Honey never spoils, and you don't have to keep it in a cool environment. When you sneeze, your heart stops beating for 1 second. People who sing in the shower tend to be funnier than those who don't. Studies show you should like and subscribe as you may become smarter.